Hello everyone, this is Priya and welcome back to my channel with a new crochet tutorial. In today's video I am going to show you how to make this very beautiful and pretty crochet flower. And if you like this flower, stay with me till the end of this video. Before starting the main tutorial, I want to request all of you, if you are in my channel today, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get my next video notification. And if you like my video, give a thumbs up. So let's get started. At first, let's see all the necessary supplies for this flower. I will use white and red, 2 colors of cotton yarn. You can use any kind of yarn with its recommended hook size. I will use 2.5 mm crochet hook and I will use a scissor. At first, I will make one magic ring. Magic ring is done. Now I will make 6 chain stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 chain stitch. Now I will join 3 triple crochet together. And now I will start first triple crochet. And I will twist this yarn for 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. First triple crochet is done. Now I will start second triple crochet and I will twist this yarn for 4 times again. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times. Now I will start second triple crochet. Now I will start third triple crochet and I will twist this yarn for 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Now I will join all this yarn together. Now I will make 5 chain stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 chain stitch. Now I will join 4 triple crochet together and now I will start first triple crochet of this group and now I will start first triple crochet of this group and I will twist this yarn for 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times. Now I will start second triple crochet. Now I will start third triple crochet. And now I will start fourth and last triple crochet. Now I will join all this yarn together. Now I will make 5 chain stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 chain stitch. Here at first I make one magic ring. Then I make total 6 chain stitch. This 6 chain stitch is considered as the first triple crochet. Then I joined 3 more triple crochet together. So including the first 6 chain stitch, there are total 4 triple crochet and I joined this 4 triple crochet together and it's our first group. Then chain 5 and then I joined 4 triple crochet together, and it's our second group. Then I make 5 chain stitch. You have to make total 10 groups following the same process, and I will be back after completing total 10 groups. I completed this round till this point. Now I will make 5 chain stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 chain stitch. Now I will make one slip stitch into the top of the first group of this round. Now chain 1, and now I will cut this yarn. First round is complete. Now I will join a new yarn to start this second round. At first I will make one slip knot to join this new yarn. Slip knot is done. Now I will join this new yarn into the top of any group of first round. I join this new yarn. Now I will make one single crochet into the same stitch. One single crochet. Now I will make 4 chain stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 chain stitch. Now I will join 4 triple crochet together into the next chain 5 space, and I will join this yarn for 2 times, 1 and 2 times, and now I will start first triple crochet. Now I will start second triple crochet. Now I will start third triple crochet. And now I will start fourth and last triple crochet of this group. Now I will join all this yarn together. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 chain stitch, and now I will make one single crochet into the top of the next group, this group. One single crochet. Now I will make 4 chain stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 chain stitch. Now I will join 4 triple crochet together into the next chain 5 space, and now I will start first triple crochet. Now I will start second triple crochet. Now I will start third triple crochet. And now I will start fourth and last triple crochet. Now I will join all this yarn together like this. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4 chain stitch. Now I will make one single crochet into the top of the next group. Single crochet is done. In the beginning of the second round, at first I join this white yarn into the top of this group, and then I make one single crochet into the same group, then chain 4, and then I joined 4 triple crochet together into the next chain 5 space, then chain 4, and then I make one single crochet into the top of the next group. After that I make 4 more chain stitch and I joined 4 triple crochet together into the next chain 5 space, then chain 4, and then I make one single crochet into the top of the next group. Now I will make 4 chain stitch and I will join 4 triple crochet together into the next chain 5 space, then chain 4, and then I will make one single crochet into the top of the next group. You have to repeat this pattern to complete this round till the end. So I will be back after completing this round till here. I completed this round till here. Now I will make 4 chain stitch, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4 chain stitch. Now I will make one slip stitch into the top of the first single crochet of this round. Slip stitch is done. Now chain 1, and now I will cut this yarn. My flower is totally complete now. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and share it and leave a comment into the comment box. See you in my next video with a new crochet tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye.